This given expression, most students got this particular question wrong. Now, what did they do? What they did was to use 2 to divide itself is 1. 2 divide 4 equals 2. So they wrote this expression as 2 multiplied by square root of 9, then divide by 9 exponents 0. So from here they wrote 2 multiplied by square root of 9 equals 3. Okay, then divide by 9. So they took this as what? 9. And this equals 2 multiplied by 3, and that is 6, divide by 9. Okay, which they later wrote as 3 divided 6 equals 2, and 3 divide 9 equals 3. But this is totally wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this particular expression the right way. Okay, now in this particular expression, which is 4 factorial divide by 2 factorial, then multiply by square root of 9, divide by 9 exponents 0. Now there is something most people did not know. They don't know that there is difference between 4 and 4 factorial. Okay, immediately when they saw this, they thought that it's the same thing as what? 4. And they thought that this denominator here, which is 2 factorial, is 2. But this is not true. Now let me show you what this means. 4 factorial simply means 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, then multiply by 1, then divide by 2 multiplied by 1, then multiply by square root of 9, divide by 9 exponents 0. Okay, so when you have a factorial, you have to multiply that number in the descending order from this main number to the descending order. Okay, now from here we can simplify this by using 2 to cancel 2 here. 1 will cancel 1 here. So in the numerator we are left with 4 multiplied by 3, then multiply by square root of 9, divide by 9 exponents 0. Okay, so from here 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12, then multiply by square root of 9, then divide by square root of 0. Okay, so another thing we have to note here is square root of 9. Remember that 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. So it simply means that we can write this as 12 multiplied by square root of 3 squared, then divide this by 9 exponent 0. Now these two here will cancel out this square root, and we are left with 12 multiplied by 3 divide by 9 exponent 0. So now take note of this as well. 9 exponent 0 is not equal to 9. Now 9 exponent 0 equals 1. 2 exponent 0 equals 1. 100 exponent 0 equals 1. So it simply means that any number exponent 0 equals 1. So for that reason, we are going to have this to be 12 multiplied by 3, then divide by 1, because 9 exponent 0 equals 1. So from here, we have 12 multiplied by 3, which will give us 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6, and 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. So the right answer to this expression is 36. Now let's look into more confusing questions. In expression, square root of 25 minus 16 divide by square root of 25 minus square root of 16. Now most people, when solving this particular expression, what they did was to rewrite this as square root of 25 minus 16 divide by square root of 25 minus 16. Okay, because they thought that the denominator is the same thing as the numerator. So from here they wrote square root of 25 minus 16 equals 9, then divide by square root of 25 minus 16. Now from here they wrote this as square root of 9 equals 3, then divide by square root of 25 minus 16. Then in their next step they wrote 3 divide by square root of 25 minus 16, and that is 9. So from here they wrote 3 divide by square root of 9 equals 3, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. But this is totally wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this particular expression in the right way. Okay, the expression is square root of 25 minus 16, then divide by square root of 25 minus square root of 16. Okay, now for us to solve this question the right way, the first thing we are going to note is that there is difference between square root of 25 minus 16 and square root of 25 minus square root of 16. Now from here, what we are going to do is to attend to this numerator first. Now this is square root of 16 equals 9. Then divide by square root of 25 minus square root of 16. Now from here, we have this to be equal to square root of 9, that is 3 multiplied by 3. So we have square root of 3 squared, then divide by square root of 25, then minus square root of 16. Okay, note that we are solving this without a calculator. Okay, so this will be equal to this square here, we'll cancel out the square root here. So in the numerator here, we are left with 3, then divide by square root of 25 minus square root of 16. Now this will be equal to 3 divided by square root of 25 equals 5, okay, minus square root of 16. Now in that our next step, we are going to have 3 divided by 5 minus square root of 16 equals square root of 16 equals 4. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 divided by 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, this will be equal to 3 divided by 1 equals 3 as the right answer. Now let's look into one more question before we go. In expression 54 divided by 6, then divide by 72 divided by 8. Now most people, when solving this particular expression, they rewrote this as 54 divided by 6, then divide by 72, then divide by 8. Okay, so in their next step, they divided this by 6 and it gave them 9, then divide by 72, divide by 8. Okay, so from here they rewrote this as 9 divide by 72, then divide by 8. So from here, 9 divide itself is 1, 9 divide 72 equals 8. Okay, so from here they wrote this as 1 divide by 8, then divide by 8 divide by 1. Now from here they wrote 1 divide by 8, then multiply by 1 divide by 8. So in their final answer, they had 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1, divide by 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. But this is totally wrong. Now let me show you a very simple way to solve this particular expression, which is 54 divide by 6, then divide by 72 divide by 6. Okay, now from here we are going to rewrite this as 54 divide by 6, then we'll put this in parentheses. Okay, then this division line here will I divide by open parentheses 72 divide by 6. Okay, so from here 54 divided by 6 equals 9, then divide by open parentheses 72 divide by 6. Okay, so from here we have 9 divide by 72 divide by 6 equals 9, and 9 divide by 9 equals 1 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.